Yeah, I know. I look like a caveman. It's been a long time since I've done a vlog, but now's the perfect time. So I'm thinking I'm gonna start vlogging a little bit more because it's spring break, y'all. So right now we're headed out to go to the gorge because the new SM Cheyenne hasn't seen the gorge. So we're gonna go check out the gorge. There's puppies that were at our school for a little bit and we moved them, or they moved them. Little detour though. Oh, this guy's just on the ground. Nice quick little detour. Hadn't seen those dogs in a little while, so that was cute.
They're looking healthy.
Yeah, they're looking really healthy. So now we didn't want to tell them where we were going because we just got done teaching on spring break. You know, it's time for what's the word I'm looking for?
Relaxation. R&R.
Yeah, R&R. Research and reconnaissance.
Yeah.
So, just stoked. Check out this church that's like really close to our school. It's actually pretty cool. This is the local elementary school right here. We just passed by quite a few elementary school students that were yelling at us. Not in a negative way, in a positive way. They were very excited. Yeah, and I just look like a vlogging tourist, even though I've been here like 8 months. You know, at this point I don't even care. That's the store we're gonna go get ice cream from later. Cheyenne, how you feeling about that?
I'm so excited.
There is the trail.
Oh, dang it! I forgot snacks.
I brought one granola bar. That's it. So,
Okay, I'll just
here's a math problem. If I bring one granola bar and we want to split it between 3 friends, how much granola bar will each friend get?
I feel like Mike is gonna get 1 granola bar, and then I'm gonna get 0 granola bars.
Okay.
Just as a hunch. But that's really cool.
This is where our water comes from, that our showers actually get fed from. And this is the pipe that's leaking. Yeah.
That explains our water pressure.
That's why our water pressure's low. I think duct tape might fix it. Well, we could come here and replenish the moisture of our wet ones. Check out this tree. It's got roots that go all the way up to the top. Oh my goodness. So Karsten and I, are we gonna go climb it? Just a little wash after that epic climb that we did. Which probably did not look that cool on video. Karsten confirms it felt cool and that's all that matters. How'd the climb feel?
Pretty good. Definitely haven't climbed in a while. You know, free soloing inspired me. You know, Alex Honnold. So we decided to give it a go on our local cliff, which also happens to be a tree. But you know, it doesn't matter. I would rate it a good 5.3 maybe. Pretty hard. Kind of got a little pumped.
Back on the rocks. We made it to the awesome spot. A little known fact about this place to the people that are not Kosraean, because barely anybody even knows where Kosrae is. But this is where we get our water from. I already told you we get water from the river, but this is the multi-filtration processing plant that is a few grates and some concrete boxes that funnel our water into that pipe that we've been walking on the whole entire time.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
It's probably my least favorite part right here, is you have to climb over all these fallen wood logs just to get to the back waterfalls. but as soon as you go past them, the waterfalls are there. So we are basically there. I made it through the worst part of this, the logs, and I fell and slipped. She didn't fall and slip, so she's a pro compared to me. But will I fall and slip now? I think not. Ow! Woo! Last time I came up here, I tried to hammock at the waterfall spot way over there, and there's too many bugs. I got ran out in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes of hammocking and enjoying. Oh no. Oh no. I just saw a Cheyenne slip and fall. I just saw Oh no. Are you okay? Oh dude, I wish I had a drone for this waterfall.
In the neighborhood, man.
We made the waterfall. No. We made the waterfall. Check it out.